Hi guys, this is Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, welcome back. If you have not been here before, I would love to have you as part of the Stephanie's Journey's family. Just click on that subscribe button below, as well as the notification bell beside that, so that you don't miss any of my videos in the near future. Today, I'm bringing to you another Misfits market haul. This is my second one for the month of April. I think I might get 3 this month as well. Not for sure, can't remember. But this is the second one. So if you're interested in seeing what I got in my Misfits box this week. Oh, I also ordered 3 or 4 additional things this week. They were all different types of mushrooms because I love mushrooms. And that's pretty much, mushrooms and onions is pretty much the only thing I've been going to get from the grocery store because you can't buy those in bulk. And spinach. Finish buying spinach too, fresh spinach. I have frozen spinach, but I've been buying fresh spinach. But if you'd like to see the unboxing of what I got in my Misfits box this week, then stick around and stay tuned. Okay guys, let's see what's in the box this week. Oh, they changed that packaging. They sent me an email saying that they were changing the packaging on these. So this is their new packaging. I don't know what this is. It's some kind of, I don't know what that is. But it feels like some kind of wool, kind of like a sweater. But I don't know. Probably something I can reuse for something. Anyway, they sent this out a couple of days ago. This is not frozen, but it's still ice freaking cold. So that's a plus, unlike last time. And these are the mushrooms I got. These don't look all that good. I don't know. They look a little moist. But I have these mushrooms. I think I forget what they're called. I don't know. I have to pull it up on the screen. I pull it up and put it on the screen. I didn't pull it up for myself. Let me pull it up while I'm here. I had never tried before. And I wanted to give them a try, so they were fairly inexpensive, so I got them. Anyway, I got 3 types of mushrooms. I got the Baby Bella. These have no names on them, so I can't tell you which type they are. One was, I think, like an oyster mushroom, I think, or something, but I don't know. It's these 2 types of mushrooms, and I'm praying to God that I'm not allergic. I eat Bella all the time, but I'm praying I'm not allergic to any of these because I have bad allergies. Okay, I got some purple kale. They call it red kale. I always call it purple kale because that's purple and not red. But I got purple kale this time. I got some more broccoli, which is good. The broccoli last time was very good. I got another cucumber, which I have been getting. Every week I usually get cucumbers, oranges, and apples in all of mine. I got some cherry tomatoes, which they haven't sent me in a while. Last time I got grapes, so these are cherry. These are the round ones. The grape ones are shaped more like a grape. The cherry ones are shaped more like a cherry. And these are good and plump. So I always like to put these in my breakfast when I make a breakfast stir fry. When I cook, then then cucumbers, or I can make a cucumber tomato salad with some onion. So I got that. And I got a pear. Oh, what kind of type of pear this is. It says a red Bartlett, so it's a red Bartlett pear. They gave me some tangerines. 2 tangerines, 2 Bartlett pears. I guess they call these tangerines. That's what I call them. I don't know. I can't read that itty bitty writing. 2 tangerines, 2 pears. Oh gosh, now these are ugly. I've never seen lemons shaped like this. So this is the first time I got fruit that is oddly shaped. So got 2 big, humongous, oddly shaped lemons. I got another butternut squash. So I guess butternut squash is a summer squash. And I got a butternut last week as well. I got 3 potatoes, red potatoes, and they're pretty big because these are usually kind of small. Well, sometimes you get them big. I always buy them small. 2 white onions. I never buy white onions, and I don't even know if I know what they taste like because I never buy them. I don't know if they taste a big difference. I only buy yellow and red, mostly red, and I buy yellow onions. sweet ones. Don't too much buy white, so that's new. I'll try that. And then these are 2 beets, red beets. I'm going to put these in a smoothie because I do not eat beets, but beets are very, 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 very good for you. Any dark vegetables with a dark inside, like dark green or dark purple, dark red, are very, very nutritious and good for you. So I will be eating those. And I only got 1 mango. I wish they would have sent me 2 because I freaking love mango. And that is it. That is it for my stuff this week. I don't know what this packaging. They sent out an email, said they were going to use new packaging. But the other one wasn't wrapped in plastic, so I think that was better. It was wrapped in paper. And plastic is not. I don't know if this is the plastic that is recyclable or not. But I will save these for something. For the first few of them. The package. Maybe if I have to ship something for my store, I can use those. Something big. But that's it. So again, we got my 3 mushrooms that they look awfully wet. I don't know if that's how they're supposed to look. But I hope they're not going bad because they're kind of expensive. 2 onions, 2 beets, 1 mango, 2 big huge lemons, 2 tangerines, 3 potatoes, 2 red pears, 1 cucumber, 1 butternut squash, and 1 tomato. So this is everything that I got. Get my picture. Alright, that is it, guys. Mushrooms, my purchase stuff here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 19 items for $22. And I got my 25% off because one of you nice subscribers subscribed. Yeah, one of you nice subscribers used my code and got you a box yourself. So, thank you. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye-bye.